What effect does salty food have on wine? A, increase acidity on the wine, decrease bitterness in the wine, increase astringency, or decrease the fruitiness of the wine. These are my favorite milk duds.
You're teasing all of us. Okay, the audience has spoken with an overwhelming B as their answer.
Go ahead and reveal. B, decreased bitterness. Bravo. So salt is a friend of wine, and it's going to decrease the perception of bitterness. Okay, great. Bravo. What effect does acidic food have on wine? Increase fruitiness, decrease bitterness, decrease astringency, or all of the above? Survey says.
Okay, so far just one answer coming in. I think this one might be a little... Oh, here they come. All right. And they just came in a flurry. And audience says D. There's an A in there as well. But predominantly people are answering D. So let's go ahead.
Do the reveal. All of the above. So here's why, for those who hesitated, is that, acid, of course, is a friend of wine. So that's going to decrease bitterness, decrease astringency, decrease, acidity, heavy acidity, increase your perception of the body of the wine, the sweetness and the fruitiness of the wine. And that's why all of these apply, because acid is a friend of wine.